Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to the channel. And today video is about dandelion green, a vegetable I always eat. And today we're talking about the benefit of it. This thing have a lot of benefits. First of all, this thing can fight cancer. It helps the liver and the kidney. Help with weight loss. This can help your weight loss. This thing fight inflammation. This can lower your blood pressure, reduce your cholesterol level, and control your blood sugar. This thing have a lot of antioxidants and a lot of vitamins and minerals, and it's good for the digestion system. So get you some. Yes, so you can get some dandelion green. You can meal prep it like this and put them in the fridge. When you want it, you can use it in your salad, in your soup, or you can juice them, whatever you want to do with them. This is how I do it. I cut it and I put it in a glass bowl and I put it in the fridge. Whenever I need it, I use them. I make little cuts, you see, I dice it real small. I don't make big cuts, the little ones, and I continue with the cutting. And see how I do it like that. Yes, this thing is very good for you, man, and also it make you pee, so you can remove the toxic out the body. This help the blood too. Any vegetable help the blood. Everything goes through the blood. Everything. Yes. Okay, YouTube. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you. Subscribe and like. Put a comments. Thank you.